Hi y'all. So I've picked up this uh, hard drive. This is a portable hard drive. I picked it up just recently with a sale from a local retailer. I thought, why not? I've been using MacBooks, so now they've all gone USB-C, and my other hard drive right here has. Let me try and get a focus on that. Has a I forgot what this USB connection is called. Maybe it's a USB Type B, maybe? Yeah. And then the other side is a regular Type A USB. This has been a good drive. This is a 2 terabyte drive. And now I've picked up this one. When I get a new hard drive, I don't really replace the old one. I keep the old ones and just add new ones. So this would be my 5th hard drive. It's just for backups and things like that. Um, you can never be too safe, I think. So the more hard drives, the more places your data is on, the safer you are. So yeah, I was really curious to see what this hard drive would be like. This is the USB-C version, and it has this new kind of finish. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I'll just, I have my knife behind the camera here. I'm just slicing that bit open, and then I'll show you what it looks like. One second. Okay, I got that cut open right here. Nothing else in the box. It comes out like that. Okay, here we have the USB-C. So how do we open this thing up? Oh, maybe with these two. Yeah, very nice. Oh, I thought that would be connected. It's a good looking drive. Wow, this feels premium. Really does. It looks really nice too. Look at that. These are actually indented, so when my finger goes over it, I can feel that. It's not just a print. That's really nice. Look at those tiny rubber feet they have here. They're squared off. And the front, it's beautiful silver. I don't know if this is metal. I don't think so. I think it's plastic. But it feels very high quality. This is the same as the back. You can feel the indentations. Wow, it's very nice. Compared to this one, I mean, it's maybe it's slightly thinner. Can't really tell. I think it feels like it's thinner. I don't know for sure. But it does feel a whole lot more premium to look at and hold. That's for sure. And look, see, the old one has these rounded rubber feet, whereas the new one is a squared one. And it's a nice touch. I don't know how much difference it'll make, but it looks really nice. Yeah. Let's see what else is in here. There's this booklet. I never read those. And this USB-C cable. It comes out. Oh, I see they've included a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter in the box. I mean, that's nice. Let's say if a person bought this, didn't really intend to pick up a USB-C drive, then came home, I could imagine that happening. And then they're like, oh, what am I going to do with this? So I guess they eliminated people having to return this just because of that. Or, I mean, of course, you might need it for some other device that you might have. But that's nice of them to include. So you would connect it, yeah, right in here. Fits nicely. Okay. Really nice hard drive. I'm glad I picked this up. I hope you enjoyed this look at a hard drive. I'm not really going to, you know, connect it to the computer and do benchmarks and stuff like that. Let's see if this says the speed. Yeah, I mean, if you picked up a mechanical drive, portable drive, you're not really looking for the fastest drive, I guess. That's why you have the SSD versions of drives. For example, I'll get one of those now. This is one of them. It's a Samsung T5. So it's also USB-C. So these are the ones you would get if you're looking for those faster speeds. But also this 500 gig model cost about the same as this 2 terabyte drive. So if you're looking for more space, you'd be getting this one. And if it's the speed you're after, you'd be getting that one. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. See ya.